We are currently now at Costco and we're waiting for the others before we start driving to LA. Papunta na kami mamaya-maya sa Mammoth. So, excited na me! Good morning!
New hair, new hair.
Bumati ka sa viewers mo!
Naka-on na ba yan? We're going to Mammoth.
Yeah, sige. Sige, sportscaster.
Wala.
Wala pa.
Ano ba yan? Ang tagal naman.
Doing guys. Transferring meat.
Busy ang mga kumpare.
Hello!
Magkano ko isa?
Para sa inyo po 50 dollars.
Ate Divang.
Good morning.
Welcome to my vlog site. Okay, this is my guest for today. Ay! Good job. Napaka-supportive po nyo. Thank you. Kainan po na. Spaghetti and adobo. May mga bagong gising.
Hello.
Mahuhuli kayo sa camera.
Kanya kayo sandok.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy.
Look at na. Ang snowy gas station. Ala, tignan mo yung likod nila, oo.
Baka tayo ganyan din, tsura, hindi lang.
Halika, tignan po natin, ate. Are you ready natin, di ba? Mag-snow angel po tayo.
Ay, ako, ikaw na lang.
So guys, currently, dito po muna kami sa gas station ng Mogi. Ayan. Look, ang sasakyan na nakapark. Snow, guys. Junel!
Ayop talaga. Yeah.
Ganda nang naman ng coat mo. Kumot.
Tapos naka-chanelas.
Malamig yan.
Costume yun ng Halloween eh.
Ito na lang din pang ano ko mamaya kumot eh. At least basa.
Kita ba kayo lahat?
What's up?
Magpe-print screen na lang ako ng picture natin.
We're fucking here at the gas station.
What happened, Jerome?
We scared.
Nagising ka ba?
Ay, gising kami lahat. Sabi ko, huwag ka na mag-break.
Ayan mo na, sabi niya. Oo, yun din.
Alam mo ba, after namin
mag-skid.
Nasa may daan na uli kami, nagpapatakto sa Bilid. Mag-hillsong nga tayo.
Sabel!
Mag-hillsong nga tayo, sabi niya.
Yung sa amin, okay lang, kalmado yung passenger. Pero si JR yung medyo nagpanik. Oh, shake! Tapos gumaganyan.
Ang kalmado din kami.
Di natutulog siya, himbing-himbing. Sabi, stop ka muna, JR.
Kakalit na kayo tape? Hindi daw advisable. Tinanong niya din sa ano.
If it's flat, if there's no ice, if there's no snow like this, then it's just annoying. It's just gonna make noise.
You ready?
Sige nga!
Talaga yung
Kaya nga eh! Yung totoo!
Nasala, wala akong salamin.
Tignan mo, Iliad, oh. So guys, nag-stop over lang muna kami dito. Pero hindi kami natuloy ikabit ang chains kasi hindi daw advisable. According sa locals. Sila po. Kasi patag pa po ate. Dapat pagka heavy snow, tas pa mountain. So, we're finally here. Park po muna kami somewhere dito sa Woolies Adventure. And then, mamaya sasakay po kami ng bus papunta na ng Gondola Station. What do you feel right now?
Cold!
Guys, how do you feel right now? Kamusta ang driving experience?
Safe naman.
So, ito na namin bus. Sisiksikat ka. Riya. Humawak ka. Sana ang aking gangs.
Sure ba yan?
Ha?
Nandito po kami sa Antarctica. Nandito po kami sa frozen dagat.
Nasa South Pole po kami. South Pole, North Pole. Kakape muna po kami. Masyadong malamig.
All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the
For
mirror. So
souvenirs.
foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure what's saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. So when the next life is a better me, I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an X-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Every day, late at night,
Saan yan?
all I want, and I pray. All I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. All I want.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa statue ng Mamo.
Do I work hard or live in my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great. But I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. There's so many differences.
Hello, guys!
Trust your gut, I'll show you what you want. Living life every day, late at night.
Andito na lang kami ng katandem nagkakamera. Kada may lakad.
Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day. Living life
First time.
Thank you. So, ito po ang availability ng time nila. Kamusta ang ating Maria?
Ang sister.
Sister.
lang hindi.
Guys, so, pina-adjust po namin yung time namin. Pwede naman. Kunyari, wala namang nakasakay sa coaster. Pwede nyo ipa-adjust para hindi sayang ang time. Naku! You're starting now. Buckle up and may seatbelt na.
Alright, hold those levers down. Hold them, hold them, hold them, hold them. Go lift up. You're good to lift them up. 2 big thumbs up. Have fun.
Thank you! Okay guys, so mag-isa ko pong nag-drive ngayon. Mag-isa ko nag-roller coaster! Grabe! Guys, sobra ang pakurbada. So, pwede nyo naman po i-slow mo. Ano, ito lang guys, hindi wag na mag-full stop. ito na po ang tubing. At tapos lang namin doon sa coaster. Ngayon, mag-tubing na po kami. What's next?
Rubber tubing.
Yes! Let's go! So guys, we're gonna fall in line. And we're gonna carry our own tube. 1, 2, 3. Eh! Ito yung parang magiging elevator namin or staircase. Para hindi na kami humirap na bumalik sa pinakataas kung gusto man namin umulit ng tubing.
1, 2, 3.
Can you see? Ayan po ang gaganapan ng tubing sliding. Pwede po ang singles na sasakay sa tube. Pwede rin po by groups. So, we can do 4 po. Bale, magsasama-samahin kaming 4. Siguro tataliin yung mga ano na.
Magpa-pay 4 kami.
Ako na lang. Get a square.
So the two pro sign has to be in front, and the mammoth sign back. So let's try to make it like a line right here.
Forward.
Backwards.
I guess.
Are you ready, Ate D?
Are you ready?
So then we will hold down, right?
Come in, come in. Try to
Yeah, they
Try crossing. The other one.
Yung mga phone nyo ha.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I know. I got you. I got you. I got you. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my God!
Go. Oh my God.
Ito lang ayaw ko maraming lakad.
Yes. So, ginawa po namin ang by force. And, mas mabilis ang pagbaba namin kasi mabigat kami dahil 4 kami. Masaya siyang gawin. Kesa sa singles. For me. For us. We agreed. The 4 of us. Right?
Hell yeah.
How are you, Jonel? Did you got it? Did you take a video of us?
So fun!
Sir Jan!
Yes, Sir John.
Ay, gaga! Sabi mo kasi sa akin, tawagin ko si Sir Jan! Nilalapit na sana ako.
Tawagin na din sana ni Rhea.
Oh, kamusta ang experience?
Ang saya.
How saya?
7 out of 10.
Sumama ka na rin! Group yourself into 3. Mas mabigat kasi. Kaya mabilis.
Marami.
Kaya nga. 6. Pwede ba 6?
I don't know.
So, pwede po maximum of 6.
So, 4 down. On each other, pull tight.
I can reach it.
We're gonna go line.
Ah, line.
Ah!
Let's go. Pamina! Let's go. Pamina!
Sayaw.
55! Let's go. Let's go.
Yan ang problema.
Dati diba, dami kong nakain.
Na yellow.
Alam mo, hirap dahil ako magha. Kasi, ang lawak na nung circle, ang liit nung braso ko. Akala ko hindi ko kayo maaabot. Single. Yes! Oh!
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so fuck
Ah! I'm spinning! I'm spinning, man!
and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst
Sobrang
enemy.
gaan ko,
There's no
tumigil ka agad
don't
ako.
try anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the
Yung
next
po ulit,
life.
itap
Don't think you might
tickets.
have straight, gotta put it in
Kami na yun sa lugar. So, kailangan niyo po ulit itap ang tickets sa likuran.
Better change my mindset, meditate.
Parang magaan tayo. Dapat baliktad tayo pag ganun ng ano.
Ang gaan natin.
Ay, oo, hindi. Isang malaki dito. Palit kayo, Junel.
Walang yakan
Ba't kayo na Angel? Ay, maganda pag ano, clear class.
Taas pala.
Tignan mo, yan yung mga...
Lord!
Ang gandang kakdoy.
Mama.
Papa.
Malapit na ba?
Layo
Layo pa.
Good luck sa'yo.
So, ito na po. Grabe ang taas po, oh. Tapos, sakto snowfall. Swerte talaga natin.
Ano? Bakit may pag-ganun kasi? Dapat straight lang.
Hindi kasi nag-change ng chains. Pinapasa niya na ng roller.
Gugutom na ko actually.
Actually, lahat.
Isip ko okay na kahit na matanggal tayo kasi
Wala yan ako matanggal. Diyan, ikaw lang matanggal.
Gag!
Huwag mo kami damay.
Sira ulo, wala
Matanggal na
namang...
pero nandun ka sa taas eh. Bukol-bukol mo na.
Walang maghihiling ng... Mama! And ang aking friend mo.
Hoy, Jerome, umupo ka dyan, ma-out of balance.
Nandlok!
Punta ka sa akin sa taas.
Gag! Ito ka, uga ba naman yung gondola? Ang daming pasikot-sikot. Dapat pagka isang linya lang tayo, tapos isa yung bababaan.
Nandun pa sila sa taas na lang ko.
So, hanggang midway lang po kami, tapos each stop meron po restaurant. Kain na lang po kami. Hindi na po kami makakaabot sa pinakadulo dahil ang weather ay...
Weather lang.
Okay guys, say bye-bye!
Bye!
Gondola isa. Kamusta ang Antarctica? Kamusta? So, ito po ang marketplace, ang cafeteria. So, ngayon, nag-aabang po kami. Inaantay namin umalis dahil may mauna na po na tayo. Baka mag-sharing na lang po kami ng table. How was the experience? Gondola po. Fine pa.
It's okay.
Tapos,
Yung ganun cup, oy.
nabuhay po sila. Naka-recharge po ba? May sinigang ka pa, Kuya Ed. Bangon na, uy. Yan nga.
Palit tayo. Diyan palit na tayo.
Sila may baka. Snow rain na ba? Tara! Ikot tayo! 360! 1, 2, 3, go! Asan na? 360! Snowing hard.
This is nothing. I am just enjoying the moment and just making random movements like crazy. Oops.
Dito na po kami sa Airbnb namin. Parang dormitory lang, no? Section 1. Section to. The gamer. The cook. Kamusta ka? Parang ang sarap pa. Okay guys, good morning! So, nakita niyo po lahat ng ginawa namin kahapon. Nag-tubing kami, nag-mountain coaster. Pauli-uli lang namin sila ginawa. Yun. Tapos, ang sinakyan namin is red line bus. Ngayon, hindi kami nakapaba doon sa unang stop namin. Kaya, parang nangyari, naikot namin yung buong downtown. Nag-joyride kami kasi one whole loop siya na nangyari. So, nakita rin namin as a whole yung Mammoth Lake, California. Ayun, na-enjoy naman namin lahat. So, ngayon, nagbe-breakfast na lang kami. Going back na ulit sa home. Tapos na ang trip. And then, next time na naman ulit. Thank you sa panonood. Bye-bye! Ay, video pala siya.